In this video, we'll be discussing social media overlays. We'll go over what they are, why we feel you should use them along with their importance, and how to create your own. Let's get started. Social media overlays are social media icons that are placed on top of your videos in a location you choose for a chosen duration of time. To create them, we recommend using a few mobile apps called Phonto and Superimpose. While Phonto is free, Superimpose costs $1.99, but is well worth it for the ease of use it provides. Both are available on Android and Apple devices. So you might be questioning, why should I use them or how are they important? We feel you should use them because it provides a much more appealing look to the content that you create, rather than simply using plain text to promote your social media. It is much more effective to show viewers other places they can find you by using these social media overlays compared to trying to spell it out to them verbally. Overall, implementing them can easily help you grow an audience outside of YouTube. We will now move on and take you step by step to create your own. Here we are showing you how to search for a PNG icon. For this video, we will be demonstrating Instagram, but you can pick anything you'd like. We will put the website we are using in the description for where we will be getting the Instagram icon, just in case anyone needs to refer back to this video. However, if you wanted a wider variety of icons, you can simply do a Google search and type in something like Instagram PNG. We recommend TransparentPng since it has the 5 icons displayed in our examples. Once you have found your desired image, simply save it to your phone as you will need it next. Now we will be giving a brief overview of the Phonto app. Okay, next it is time to open the Phonto app. Start by clicking the camera icon at the bottom and select plain image. Now it is time to pick a background color. We will be using the white background. Next, click the square icon with an arrow pointing upwards and select Use and Save. Now hit the 3 horizontal lines icon and click Add Item. At the bottom, hit the star option and then scroll down until you see the rounded square and click it. When the item is selected, it will give us numerous options to customize it. Color will obviously allow you to pick a color. If you have a specific hex color for your brand, you can go right here and type it in. Size will allow you to adjust the overall size, or specifically, the width or height of an object. The tilt option allows you to rotate an object 360 degrees. The Move button makes it easier to move something in smaller increments by using arrow keys. The Stroke button allows you to adjust the thickness of a border. Lastly, the Remove button will get rid of the object selected, but don't click it. Now that you have a general understanding of the functionality of Phonto, we will now begin the overlay. First, go to Size and put your width at 310 and your height at 70. When that is done, go to Stroke and move the slider all the way to the right. Next, we want to add another shape. This time, select the regular filled square. Switch the width to 295 and the height to 55 in order to fill all the background color. Now click anywhere on the background so the Add Text option appears. This is where you want to put in your social media name. Depending on how long your username is and the font you choose, you will want to adjust the size of the text accordingly, but make sure you leave some room on the left side. It is now time to add our PNG image. Once added, simply reduce the size so it fits and use the move button to have it centered. The final step is clicking the bottom right hand corner button and saving the image to the device you are using. We will now transition to the Superimpose app. Once in the Superimpose app, we have to import a background by clicking the upper left hand button. Click Pick Color and choose any random color besides the ones you used in Phonto. Then click the check mark. A colored square should appear, and now we want to import the image we previously created in Phonto. Click the same button you used to import the background, but instead choose Photos under the Import Foreground section. It likely will not fit perfectly, so we have to go to Transform at the bottom of the screen and then click on the corner nodes to expand the image until the background disappears. After that, click Mask and select the wand icon. Then click on any part of the background, but not on your overlay. Then click the Home button. At the top of the screen, click the rectangle button with an arrow pointing up. Finally, click Mask as PNG and the social media overlay should now appear in your camera roll on your phone without any background. Now you should know what social media overlays are, why you should use them, and how to create your own. If you found this video helpful, please leave a thumbs up, a comment down below if you have any questions or suggestions, and consider subscribing for more content like this in the future. We truly appreciate the support. We plan on making a video going over how to create the YouTube, Twitter, Snapchat, and Facebook overlays. But for the first 100 people that follow the instructions in the description down below, we'll make them for you. Remember, as we learn, you earn. See you in the next one.